It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.
I'm doing a quick video on what I do with my GoPro clips. I do another channel called Drive-Through Walkthrough, and after I finish filming, I drop everything on my computer into a file. And what it is that the way that GoPro organizes the files is oddly numbered, and if you go by this setup, you'll see that the numbers are off, or when you play them one by one, you'll see that they're not in sequence. So you got to put them in some kind of order. And I used to just go through every single one and go through the numbers, try to make sense of the numbers. But what I started doing now is doing a different way. So what I do is I go up to View and I pick Details. And I lay out the files by the date. The date that the camera captured those clips. And I do it from oldest to newest. And then, as you'll see, you can see the numbers kind of follow. Okay, yeah, so this is set by date. Once I set it up by date, you can see just to the right of the files, the date and the time, and they're in sequence now from oldest to newest, and you can see the numbers kind of follow each other as well. It's very, very difficult, but I just set everything up by the date. I do View, Details, and then set by date, and do oldest to newest. Now pay attention to the time and the date so you have them in the correct order. Then I just rename them. Eventually I rename them all. I'll go to Home, Select All, and usually I name my files by the date taken. And that's it. And once I press enter or click on the left mouse, all the files will be in order, in the order that I need them, so I can upload them to YouTube. Or actually, I combine the files together, then I upload them to YouTube. This is what I end up doing to put my GoPro files in order. I just organize by date under the View option on Windows. I don't know about Mac. I know for Windows, I use the View, Details, and then set up by date, oldest to newest.
Make sure to like and subscribe.